Sri Lankan food festival.
चिंकी जी कैसे हो?
एकदम बढ़िया मैम।
यहाँ पे
इसमें चिंकी और मिंकी कौन है?
हाँ मेरे हिसाब से ये चिंकी जी और मिंकी जी
यार
Yeah, you met Nazar, the GM. He's the chef from Colombo.
ये पकड़ बंद कर उसको।
You like the weather? Yeah, I've been to Colombo also. Yeah, last year. I don't remember the properties. We have to see. It's a Taj by the sea. Yeah, Taj by the sea. We're staying there. Can you go?
That's okay, you look pretty anyway. You look the same since Swaragini, I feel.
या थैंक यू थैंक यू।
He's from Colombo.
ये कंप्यूटर
We do bites together.
हेलो
Rishad, that's GM of the hotel. He is our chef from Colombo. Yes.
थोड़ा सा नजदीक आ रही है।
Hi Chingy Minky. So
Hello.
today at Fairfield by Marriott Mumbai Andheri International Airport. Today we are hosting Sri Lankan Food Festival. How much excited you both are?
We are looking forward for it and we are definitely interested in trying Sri Lankan food. And of course, the GM told us that they have got the chef itself from Colombo. So we've been to Colombo last year, but we didn't try much. We didn't get much time. Yeah, we didn't get much time. So now we're like really looking forward. तो आप बताओ आप क्या टेस्ट कराने वाले हो? Best food बताओ.
थैंक यू।
आप best food बताओ. Food बताओ.
Best food.
Best food.
Yeah.
Any best Sri Lankan
So
dish?
what is your best?
Very best in the
Sri
mutton,
Lankan.
mutton curry
Oh,
and
we are
especially in the
vegetarian.
kottu,
We are vegetarian.
They are vegetarians.
hopper, the
Hopper.
arbor.
Hopper.
Yeah, this is a vegetarian.
Okay.
Yeah, and vegetable roti we have.
Oh, lovely. Okay.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, and cashew curry.
Cashew curry.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a cashew curry. Alright, cashew curry. Alright. We'll try it.
You can try.
Yes. Fairfield by Marriott is hosting Sri Lankan Food Festival. What are your expectations from it?
So first of all, I would like to thank Chinky Minky that they are part of this food festival,
Yeah.
which is made a more lighter into the event. Thank you so much. थैंक यू शेफ व्हेन वी डिसाइडेड दैट विल बी डूइंग दिस फेस्टिवल, तो हमने शेफ को ऑल द वे कोलंबो से बुला दिया, श्रीलंका से, क्योंकि हमने ये सोचा कि हमारे शेफ बनाएंगे तो वो ऑथेंटिसिटी नहीं आएगी, तो इसलिए हमने शेरिडन कोलंबो विच इज़ अ मैरियट होटल, वहाँ से हमने शेफ को इन्वाइट किया, एंड आई एम थैंक्स टू हिम दैट ही मेड इट. He and his colleague, two of chef came from there, and they are doing the event with us. So please do come, have Sri Lankan Food Festival at Fairfield by Marriott, Madhu Madhu. Thank you. Thank you so much.
So, Sri Lankan Food Festival at Fairfield by Marriott, how is it?
It's very nice. I loved the taste, especially of the potatoes, and I was surprised to see the Karela salad because this is the first time I have had that, and it was very nice. And I also love the pumpkin soup. I'm a pure vegetarian, so all the vegetarian dishes were very nice. And interestingly, in the dessert section there was this thing, I forgot the name, we call it pitha in Assamese. It was very similar to pitha, and it tasted also quite similar, you know, somehow all these festival stuff somehow tastes quite similar. And even the coconut rice that they made, that was also very nice. Everything was very interesting and different from a regular buffet that we usually get here in Mumbai.
कहाँ आए हो और किस
Okay,
तरह का
okay.
experience रहा?
ओके. आज मैं यहाँ आई हूँ फेयरफील्ड बाय मैरियट में श्रीलंकन फूड फेस्टिवल में. जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, हमारे जो शेफ़ है ये श्रीलंका से, कोलंबो से आए हैं, और जो डिशेस उन्होंने प्रिपेयर किया है सब कुछ बहुत ही अच्छा था. स्पेशली कुछ चीज़ें तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया, और जो करेले का सैलड है वो भी मैंने पहली बार खाया है लाइफ में, तो बहुत मज़ा आया. थैंक यू.
आज कहाँ पर आए हो और कैसी रही आपकी शाम?
बहुत कमाल की शाम रही. वी आर एट फेयरफील्ड बाय मैरियट. वी आर हियर फॉर द श्रीलंकन फेस्ट. मैं नेहा जी को बता रहा था कि आई डिडंट नो दैट श्रीलंकन फूड इज सो अमेजिंग, सो गुड, एंड आई थिंक यू ऑल हैव डन एन अमेजिंग जॉब. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग अस.
तो श्रीलंकन फूड हमेशा मुझे लगता था कि कोकोनट बेस बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, और एंड आई लव कोकोनट. कोकोनट इज़ वन ऑफ माई मोस्ट फेवरेट इंग्रेडिएंट्स इवन व्हेन आई कुक. तो आज मुझे तो मज़ा ही आ गया, बट उसके अलावा भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो श्रीलंकन फ्लेवर्स में होती हैं बिसाइड्स कोकोनट, एंड वी रियली एन्जॉयड दैट, एंड ग्रेट फूड है. बहुत मज़ा आया.
सर, क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस फूड फेस्टिवल को लेकर? We have special chef from
Hi everyone. द डे जब हमने डिसाइड किया कि हमें श्रीलंकन फेस्ट करना है, तो हमने कोलंबो से शेफ़ को बुलाया है. He is from Sheraton, Colombo. So I have written a mail to the GM of Colombo, and he was very kind to spare him. He and his colleague was here. Two chefs came all the way from Colombo. हमने ये सोचा कि हमें ऑथेंटिसिटी देनी है. हमारे शेफ़ बनाएंगे तो वो टेस्ट नहीं आ पाएगा जो हमारे श्रीलंकन शेफ़ बनाएंगे. तो he is here, a man who has really created a very good, delicious food. And thank you so much. And thank you so much for coming. And
I'm sure this is for a while over here, right? So
this is for 10 days.
Yeah, this is for 10 days. So जो भी देख रहे हैं ये अगले 10 दिन अगर आपको टेस्टी, डिलीशियस, स्क्रम्शियस कोलंबियन फूड खाना है, श्रीलंकन फूड खाना है, तो chef is here from Colombo. So come and please taste the menu. It is really good.
Chef, बहुत तारीफ है और ये would you like to say something?
Thank you for coming and enjoy
And
the
let me
food.
tell you, इनसे तारीफ बहुत बड़ी बात है, because he himself is a brilliant cook. He cooks amazing things. He and his wife cook amazing food. They have a brand called Must, or they cater to a lot of people. So if it comes from him, you should take his compliments very seriously.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much. Thank you.
Really? Hi sir, how are you first of
I'm
all?
good,
How
thank
was the food experience? And
It was nice. It was very nice actually. First time I have, tried a full course of Sri Lankan food. So many new flavors, many new dishes, and I love the coconut base in a few things. So all also very nice. Yeah.
so Fairfield by Marriott Mumbai has hosted a Sri Lankan based food festival. So
Yeah.
any special dish you liked?
Well, to name, I don't recall the exact names, but there was one dish which was spicy potatoes.
Yes.
Those were very nice. There was one appam with coconut powder that was there. That was very nice. I tried the mutton curry also. Nice, a little too spicy for my taste, but otherwise very nice. And desserts also. There's a dish which we have a parallel in Uttarakhand also, which is made from rice flour and jaggery. तो राइस फ्लावर और जैगरी की जगह इनमें राइस फ्लावर एंड हनी यूज़ करा होता है, वो भी बहुत अच्छा लगा।
Super, super. Thank you so much for